Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Anker SoundCore a Liberty Air 2 Pro with a laptop or computer that has a Bluetooth. So in order to do this, first let's open Bluetooth on our laptop, and I'm just gonna guide you there in a second. So here, open your Start, then go for the settings, find Bluetooth and devices. Now click on Add Device. Here move on to your headphones, so open the case, take both of the headphones out. Now make sure that you have the right one in your hands now. Hold this power button, the multifunctional key, and wait a bit till this device is available on your laptop. Here they are. Now we can click on them and they'll be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.